Yes guys, so how you all doing? As you can see, this is my first ever vlogging in public, in out. This is not actually public because this is morning and there is no one in out. As you can see, nothing I do which is reasonless, or I can say nothing I do without any reason. So there's a reason that why I started video in out. As you can see in my back, let me just zoom it and show you. So this is the place. So this is the place where I spent 3 years of my precious life. I can say, I won't say that I wasted, but I can say that yes, I spent. And the reason I'm saying that I spent because I'm from India, but I've been living in this UAE country since past 7 years. And in 7 years, I changed so many locations. But this is where I spent my 3 years out of 7 years. So yes, and this location really means too much to me because I saved too much money. And what else can I say? And I'm just checking my gears that how it's working. So let's see, and I'm going to be showing you that how I spend my time and where where is my cabin or where is the clubhouse. Everything I'm going to be showing you that where I spend my time. So from now you're not going to be seeing my face. You're going to be seeing the view. So let's enter. So this is the entrance of Seashore, place where I spent 3 years of my precious life. So as you can see, this is the security cabin. So this is the security cabin where I spent my 3 years, and that's the entrance. So now I'm taking you to clubhouse, okay, where I used to say it, I used to do gym, everything I'm just gonna be showing you. So I'm just gonna keep my fucking mouth shut and just let you all people see the view of Abu Dhabi Seashore. So we are so nearby that clubhouse. As you can see, this is the park for kids. And what you see, this is the swimming pool. So now maybe it's closed, so I cannot show you. So let me show you my face. Yes. So I cannot show you the swimming pool. I don't have a key. I had a key, but I didn't bring the key, so I cannot open it. So let's go. So this is the swimming pool. Maybe in past, maybe 1 year back, I had made one video in here, in previous Ramadan. As you can see, this sexy yellow car, I don't know the model, maybe Chevrolet. And here we go, that's the clubhouse. This is where I spent my entire 3 years, because I used to do night shift. So sleeping in here, doing gym in here, everything I did over here. Really, it was really long time I spent over here. Yes guys, so this is the entrance of clubhouse where I spent my 3 years. So let's get in. Let me show you how and where I was sitting and where the gym is, where the reception is. So just let's get in. Yes guys, so this is the clubhouse where I used to come to sit, and now I'm going to be showing you where the gym is and where I used to sit. So everything just let's be picked up. So this is the clubhouse, as you can see where I am in clubhouse. So this is really mean too much to me because while doing duty, I did my gym, I did my blogging. All the blogging you see, all the video you see in my YouTube, I have done only in here, okay? And trust me, I was so lucky that while doing duty, I found the location, because usually, you don't get to, you don't get that location where you are so free that you can do blogging, or you can do, you can make your video, whatever. So I'm really thanks to my destiny, to God, that yeah, God, you gave me that location where I was eligible, where I was able to follow my passion, follow my dream, and still be, still be earning money. So really, so this is the sofa I used to sit. This is the sofa I used to sit, and there is a free Wi-Fi. So I used to come and I used to use Wi-Fi. And as you can see, this is the staircase. So from there we go to gym. So let me just first show you this. And this is reception, where the receptionist sits. And this is manager office. So just stay away from there. It's kind of risky going there. So let me start the light. Yes guys, so now we are heading towards gym. Usually we need access card, but in this case, just because I was a security officer over here, so I know the passcode, I know the code, so we don't need access card. So there's some advantages, without having access card, still I was going inside. So this is the place where I was making all my video. As you can see, I have uploaded 100 of videos. Can you imagine 100 of videos just right here? As you can see, so what I was doing, I was just removing, putting one sofa there, one sofa here, and making space, because as you can see, all of my video has a white background. Okay, so just to get, this is my white background. So let's come here. So password is 1994 hash. Now you will be asking that, yeah, am I stupid to show you password? Because you will never come here and you will never see, so it's okay. So this is the gym where I was doing my duty. And while I was doing my duty, let me start the light first. Yes. Trust me, I was really, really, really lucky, and I am lucky that God gave me this location. Where do you get means while you're doing duty. So while you're doing duty, you do gym, you do your making video, your passion, you follow your passion. And so many times I used to get food. So all I'm saying, I was really, really, really very lucky. I was really very lucky, because at same time I was making my video, I was doing my duty, I was getting paid. Can you imagine? Means I was getting paid to be here, and by being here I was making my video, I was doing my gym, I was thinking about my future. So with all the, means what can I say, this location really helped me in being who I am, in helping me having the mentality what I have right now. So I'm really thanks to God. Thank you very much that you gave me this location. So as you can see, this is the tripod. Maybe you have already seen, but I record with Samsung phone. Okay, I'm not a fancy guy. I don't want to buy a camera. Okay, it's a starting. Just first make a base. First make a base, isn't it? So that's all. So this is wireless mic, and this. Again and again I'm saying this phone holder is really so good. It's really so good. From here, you can see the sea. And by the way, this is a handmade sea. Means handmade means man-made. Okay, it was not there. People made it. So this was the gym. Now I'm gonna take you from different way to down. Then I will show you where the sea is. Let's go to sea. Let me start the light because there's dark in here. And this is course. So this is the billiard table. I hope. Yes guys, so as you can see, we came back, we had gone from there and we came from this door. Yes guys, so far was the tour of this clubhouse. Now I'm going to be taking you to near sea. So let's go to sea. Let's go to sea to see how the sea is. As you can see, these are the tennis court. And there is another swimming pool. Really, these people really enjoy the life. As you can see, this is the man-made sea, and there is one lost boat. This, you won't believe, this boat is here since, I have been seeing this boat since 3 years in same position. It seems like the owner of this boat doesn't need this boat anymore. And as you can see, there are so many, I hope you can see. If you want to see this place, then just type in Google Mangrove Marina in Abu Dhabi. When you will type in map Mangrove Marina in Abu Dhabi, so this is the place you're looking. This is Mangrove Marina. And I don't know you can see or not, all these people, as you can see, they are doing fishing early morning in the month of Ramadan. Yes guys, so I hope you like my first vlogging. I know that it was my first vlogging, so I must have made so many mistakes, but just forgive me, isn't it? So just, it's okay, okay? I'll improve myself, and in last I just want to say that take care of yourself and just follow your dream, no matter how stupid it seems, that how stupid and how big it seems. Just follow your dream, eventually, and don't try to please anyone, because you are always wrong in someone's eyes. You are always wrong in someone's eyes. So let's not try to make anyone happy, isn't it? Just do whatever whatever you think will be best for you, just do it. Finished. So now I have to hang this video and go and get ready and go back to being, being employee of someone. And very soon I'm resigning. Maybe in next 20 days or 25 days, I'll be resigning. So let's hope the chapter of this abroad country is closed now. Now whatever I'll do in India. So just wish me luck. Thank you.